Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a connected, unlocked phone, so plug in or pair wirelessly and accept any permission prompts. Once done, open the Android Auto app on your phone or switch the car display to Android Auto projection. Make sure the phone's Android Auto version is up to date. Outdated apps hide settings. If the app asks for additional permissions like storage or photos, grant them now so you can access images. This gets you directly into the interface, where Wallpaper settings live. Once Android Auto is visible, tap your profile icon or the settings gear to reach Preferences. Then choose Display or Wallpaper. Android Auto groups appearance options there. From this menu, pick whether to use built-in themes, select an image from your phone gallery, or add a custom photo. If you pick Gallery, navigate to the album and choose a high-contrast image. Android Auto crops to the screen ratio, so prefer 16:9 compositions. Make your selection and preview it before applying. After previewing, tap Apply or Save and confirm on the car display. The wallpaper updates immediately in most systems. If the image looks cropped or blurry, edit it on your phone to a 16:9 ratio and try again, or pick a simpler high-contrast photo. If nothing changes, disconnect and reconnect Android Auto, restart the phone, or clear the Android Auto cache and app settings. These quick fixes resolve most sync problems. If issues persist, check for app or head unit updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.